I just want to share with anybody that find this helpful, because I think it's interesting. This is the first time it happens to me. Why a car doesn't start? I'm sure it happens to a lot of people before, but this is the first time I ran into this. Okay, let's go to the point. Okay, I want to start the car. Nothing. This is all it does. Huh? As you can see, I'm pushing the brake, but I don't have to. I show you why. I don't have to push the brake. But okay, first thing I notice is like the shifter doesn't work, even though I'm pushing the brake and anything. I got the power on. Nothing. Okay. One more thing I want to mention is like sometimes the cable that runs to the transmission breaks. So even though you unpark, if the cable's broken or the bracket that secures the cable to the transmission is broken, even though if you unpark, I mean your transmission can still be on reverse, and that's gonna keep you from starting the car. So I already checked that. I just want to mention it just in case. But check my starter, it cranks. Check my battery. I put a jumper box, and still nothing. Okay, but like I see now, this is caught my attention right here. The first thing. Okay. Freaking allergies. Okay, second thing I did. Okay, I came over here. This is the brake light switch, and I checked, and the one's supposed to have power all the time. The red one, and there's no power. So I disconnected my switch to make sure it wasn't the brake light switch, because if the brake light switch it's shorted, it can cause the power to. It can take the power down, like from the relay, or blow the fuse, which is the case in this car. But okay, there's a brake light switch. It goes in there. Then you just turn it to the left, just twist it and pull it, and it's gonna come out. Okay, basically what it does is, like, let's say right now it's open, right? It's closed. I mean, because like I said, it should be power right here, and then when you release the brake, when you're not pushing the brake, this is what it does right here, right? That's open, which means only the wire, the red wire has power. But then when you press the brake, and it feeds power to the rest of them. And one of them, I think, is this green right here. That's the one that feeds the power to my solenoid and the shifter. Therefore, you can put on gear. But like I said, no power. Okay. Now let's go to the fuse box. I found the fuse blown right here. This number 20. Nothing. Get power. And is this right here. I don't know if you can see. That says stop and horn. Okay. Let's switch it. Let's put a new one. Watch. Watch the fuse. See, it popped. Okay. And every time I do that, it's gonna pop. This is what I wanted to show you. I mean, that's the guy right there. That's what's causing the short. The horn. See, okay. Now I'm gonna disconnect it. Yeah, it has another one over here, this side, but there's nothing wrong with that one. Even though they share the same power, fits both of them. Okay, I'm gonna connect the other one and disconnect this one, because this is the main thing I wanted to show in this video. This is the purpose for this video. Okay, now Okay, I'm doing this one. I mean, as you can see, I'm not an expert shooting videos though, but I'm looking forward to start doing better. Okay. Power. Power. Both. Okay. Now I don't even have to hold the brake, because if it has power and everything is working, then I can just see, my shifter works right now. Yeah, I'm gonna so the car's running. And as you can see, I don't even have to hold the brake though, because like I said, because the brake light is open. Okay. Let's see, how do I get it? Okay. That was my fix. I mean, like I said, I'm not an expert shooting videos. I wish I could show you everything I went through to figure out that it was the horn causing the short. But I mean, I'm looking forward to start doing better. But so far, as of right now, this is the best I can do. So I hope I hope this can help anybody though. All right, thank you guys. See ya.